In this short video, I'm going to show you how to turn gas bottles on and change over to a new gas bottle. Your gas lock is here. This is where your gas bottles are located. So when you arrive at your destination, you need to undo the gas bottle by the valve on top by turning it anti-clockwise. And then when you're about to set off again, you need to close it by turning it clockwise. If you run out of gas, you need to change the bottle. So to do that, you undo this hose. And then you undo this on the other bottle. And then you need to put the hose back in here. So you put it in and you turn the valve towards you. Once that's in nice and tight, it's all changed over. Put the bung back into the empty bottle. Once that's done, you're good to go. Close the door up.